Music. Welcome to the ClickMedix Telehealth review. Find product links below. ClickMedix empowers underserved communities with accessible healthcare, streamlines care for providers, and offers scalable global solutions. Its mission: affordable and accessible healthcare. ClickMedix is perfect for healthcare professionals, community clinics, and organizations expanding their reach with innovative telemedicine. It offers robust features for seamless patient-provider communication, including video consultations, messaging, and photo sharing, enabling accurate remote diagnoses. Multilingual support makes it invaluable for diverse populations. ClickMedix customizes to unique workflows, accommodating specialists, primary care physicians, and community health workers. Its scalability extends from individual providers to large health systems, NGOs, and governments seeking better public health outcomes. Its cloud-based design works in urban and remote settings, even with limited internet. ClickMedix integrates with EHR systems, simplifying patient management and ensuring secure data storage. Patients enjoy an intuitive interface for easy provider connection. Optimized for mobile, it's accessible even where smartphones are prevalent. Providers can conduct follow-ups, prescribe medications, and remotely monitor chronic conditions, enhancing efficiency and reducing in-person visits. ClickMedix benefits organizations and providers focused on population health, remote diagnostics, and improving underserved access. Whether a small clinic or large health initiative, ClickMedix delivers cost-effective, high-quality care. ClickMedix, innovative telehealth prioritizing accessibility, scalability, and adaptability. Extend your healthcare reach and enhance efficiency with ClickMedix.